Good day, viewers. Today, I'm going to be deliberating on Pascal triangle. Like I want to let the wider audience know more about what we call Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle start with one and also end with one, in the sense that if we have, let me just use f plus b raised to power 0, it is equal to 1. We all know that one, that anything raised to power 0 end with anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now, what if we have f plus b raised to power 1? I will expand this later. You bring down the 1 and you bring down another 1. It must start with 1 and also end with 1. So if we have something like f plus b raised to power 2, when I bring down my 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 2. You bring down the 1 again. What if we have f plus b raised to power 3? You bring down the 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. You bring down the 1. What if we have f plus b raised to power 4? You bring down the 1, 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4. 3 plus 3 is what? Is 6. 1 plus 3 is what? Is 4. And you bring down the 1. Like that, like that. What if we have a plus b raised to power 5? It will be 1. 4 plus 1 is what? Is 5. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 give us 10. Then 4 plus 6 is what? 10. 1 plus 4 is what? Is 5. And you bring down the 1. That is what we call Pascal triangle. Like, it start with 1. If you can check, it start with 1 and also end with 1. It start with 1 and also end with 1. Now we can also press this in calculator. We can also point this in calculator. Okay, let me just assume any number. Okay, I have picked this number here. I have picked 3 here. So how am I going to use calculator to punch this, or how am I going to solve to have this? Now the formula is, if we have nr is equal to n factorial, n minus r factorial, and l factorial. Now, what do we mean by factorial? Factorial means that number, from that number down is called factorial. That number down is called factorial. For example, if I have if I'm looking for 3 factorial, 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. Like, you start from that number and multiply down to 1. That's what we call factorial. Okay, what about 4 factorial? If I'm talking about 4 factorial, 4 factorial will be what? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is, this is 12 times 2, that is 24. That means that 4 factorial is 24. You understand what I mean? Factorial means that number multiplied to 1. That is factorial. Okay, let's continue the video. I'm just doing some introduction. Okay, if I'm looking for this, the power is 3. I choose this now. Look at what I mean here. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Like, from the number, you number it from 0 to 3. Now, since I'm picking 2, since I'm picking 3, definitely 3 is 2. I don't know whether you get it. 3 now becomes 2. Like, from here, you number it down to 3. So n is the power here. Here becomes 3 combination 2. Have you seen now? If I'm looking for, if peradventure I'm looking for 1 here, if I'm looking for this one that is here, it will be 3 combination what? Combination 3. You give me this one. Since I'm looking for 3, it will be 3 combination 2. You understand what because I'm looking for 2 now. Okay, let's continue. N is 3, R is 2. So now my n becomes 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by n minus r. N minus r is what? Is 3 minus 2 factorial. That is 3 3 minus 2 factorial, and r is what? R still becomes 2 factorial. Remember what I said earlier, that 3 factorial means that number multiplied to 1. So here become 3 times 2 times 1 all over 3 minus 1 is what? Is 1 factorial. And 2 factorial is what? Is 2 times 1. So if you want to see 2 times 1 cancel 2 times 1. So what is remaining is 3. Then 1 factorial is 1, which is 3. So I have this now. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. I still remain Pascal Maths. Goodbye.